Welcome to another tutorial on Google Sheet. This video is going to be on an important topic of Google Sheet. In this video, we will show you how to merge cells in different ways. Whether you want to combine multiple cells into one, or merge across rows, or even join text without losing data, we have got everything covered in this video. You can see here is a demo file for this tutorial. There is a month name, and then under that name there is more data. But all the three columns are under 1 month. In this video, we will show you how to merge all those three cells into one and keep the name same. To do this, first we will use default option of Google Sheet. This is the easiest method. I personally use this method to merge cells. In this method, first you have to select the cells you want to merge. In my case, it is A2, B2 and C2. Now click on the format option from the menu. After that, you will see another option called Merge Cells. Click on that. Now choose Merge All to combine all the three cells into one. Now you will see that A2, B2 and C2 are merged into one large cell. This method is useful for creating table header or emphasizing important information. In my case, the month name is on the top, and under that name, that month related data are arranged. In the Merge All option, you will see two more options called Merge Vertically or Merge Horizontally. Those two are not that important as long as you are using my given method. But be careful. If you have text in multiple selected cells, only the content from the first cell will be kept and the rest of the text will be deleted. If you don't want to lose the data, use the next method. Though this has some disadvantages, but to save your data, this method is good. If you want to combine text from multiple cells without using any information, you have to apply a formula. This formula is called text join formula. To apply this, first click on any empty cell where you want the text to appear. Type the formula shown on the screen. Press enter and the values will appear on one cell. If you want to merge more cells, you just have to drag down the formula to the next rows. Now all data from each row is combined into single cell without losing any value. This method is useful when you want to combine information without affecting your original data. Now merging is done. But what if you want to unmerge cells? To do this, just select the merge cells, click on formula, then click on merge cells. After that, choose Unmerge. The task is done. Your selected cells are unmerged and separated. So that's how you can merge cells in Google Sheet using different methods. There can be other methods to do this, but I'm just showing the easiest and most popular methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more Google Sheet tricks and tricks. See you in the next video.